Yeah, guys.
So we
finally, our 3-axis smartphone stabilizer is in. Our gimbal is in. And you know, because they sent me a message, the Royal Post sent me a message that the gimbal is in and they will be delivering it today within a time frame of 9:45 to I think 1:45. And during this time I went to work last night. I did a night shift, so when I came out a bit tired, so I slept. And when I woke up it was around 2. So I had thought that the postmaster has already been in and gone.
I got it on TikTok too.
Quite unfortunate. So I went out to even check if it was so, but there was nothing outside. So I came back in and I went back even on to the email and tried to inform them that if probably tomorrow I will not be around and they should leave it by with probably a neighbor or an offline shop. So I was itchy. I was waiting for it. So guys, it's in, and you can see from the picture on the box. And let me just unbox this. I got it from TikTok. And if you have seen the people who are marketing it, they are 24/7 doing marketing service. I watched it and I was really interested. People who have many followers, what are they doing with their accounts? If you have an account and you think that you need help to manage it to make money, please link up, comment below so that we can see what we can do. So when you open it, you will see, the first thing you're going to see is a manual for the light, and there is a light. Yes, when you switch it on, it has different colors and it's interesting. It has up some flair and I really like it. They have a choice that don't come with the light, but I decided to choose it. My guys, it's all for you. It's all for you, just to improve and be better, provide better videos for you guys. You need to go there, down there. You need to subscribe if you have not, because I have been promoting Billionaire by 40. There's a long way ahead of us to reach this Billionaire by 40. I was just thinking about 10 years of maybe doing YouTube. How will it be and where will I be? For me to be doing amazing things with the community. So if you have not subscribed, kindly do that. And if this video is interesting and you like it, and comment where you are watching from. That is the stand. Yes, that is the stand that you use. And that is the gimbal itself. That is it. So you put your screw behind. The light can stand for 2 hours. Our charging time is 1 hour. So I was trying to open it, but I was not, and I was trying to be very careful with it so that I just don't force it and break it or something. So that is it. You know how this really been itchy for this. Yes, it's to really stabilize things. You don't know what I was using as my stand. I have packed up books, shoes package on top and I have placed something behind. I put my phone on. Nothing, when you're starting something, you should just begin with whatever that you have. It was just interesting. So, but now we are improving, and as time goes on, the skill will improve and will be better next time. We will enjoy our videos more. You understand? Yes, this is really benefit for money, value for money, I should say. Yes, this has really served a purpose in my life, my guys. You have to trust the process as we go on. Even though we didn't start right now, we have this which is going to help us there are some videos that my head has been even cut off. I didn't even notice. But with this one, you can even track your face, and wherever that you move, you can track your face, you can track your body, and wherever you move, it will be following you. It will be getting you in the shot. So this time, I'm sure that the face will never be cut, my guys. My subscribers, you mean a lot to me, yeah? So I want to hear from you. Your comments is very important. Things that you would love for me to do videos about, things that you would like us to hear me talk about, share with me. So you know what it is. So we're really looking into the future for this. This is also a Type-C charger for the gimbal. The gimbal need to charge. The gimbal have a phone stabilizer, the tripod, the Type-C cable, and the user manual, which is in it.
I need to download the app.
It can be used for iOS, and it can also be used for Apple, Android, and Apple users. It's made from the Chinese. These people are serious, It solves a problem, and that's what I am crazy about. Because myself, I had a problem, and now it's going to be solved. I've even used to take a video already, my guys, before doing this voiceover. I was cooking in the kitchen and I used it, and it was fantastic. If you have a problem like that, I think you should also get one. And I'm going to look for a promo code so that you can get discount if you use mine. If anything, I'll share details in the description. Don't forget, you know what it is. Yeah. So it's going to be an interesting journey. Looking up maybe 10 years ahead of time, what we will be doing and all that. Me really crazy about also traveling, about to see many other cultures, the people of different places, how some people relate with other people and how things are. I'll be even writing things about them, seeing different people, So it's going to be an interesting journey, I must tell you. With my many ideas and projects, there's a lot in store of us. Billionaire by 40. And if you don't know, the hoodie I'm wearing is my brand. I started doing Utama for 10 years ago. Yes, and now I came to London and I rebranded it to Utama London. Isn't it nice? If you would like to have one, and maybe in another product, a mug, or you like to get a hoodie, I'm making available all these things so that we build a community where the community should be of good intentions, of helping people. We need to help the needy with projects, community projects. We need to help the needy and if they have water problem, Yes, we need to help widows. I'm very particular about our widows and all that. So this has come to really serve a purpose for us. If you have any challenge or anything you want to talk about, email me and we can talk about it. My email is in the description so that we keep in touch. If you have not liked this video, what do you think about it? Like it and share your comment. Yes, the thing is also magnetic. The light is really out of some style, and I really like it. It's really value for money, my guys. If you don't have one, you need to get one. I think my problem is solved and I'm happy. my whole experience of getting it, trying to make use of it, and all that has been fantastic. I think it's nice. We will look forward to using it and seeing how best it can help us. Yes, you can send me up a message or send me a comment on what your mind is on this product. Alright, my guys, very much grateful for your time, and remember to subscribe if you have not yet. What do you think about the video? Do you like it? Then
we're gonna get there.